Hi guys, Shannon and Simon here. Our mate Tim, that's his home behind us. He's asked us to come in and build the ultimate man cave for him. So he's got the perfect space in his basement. It's going to be a lot of fun.
So Tim wants to save as much money as possible on the fit out. So we've teamed up with insurance company Youi and their YouiRewards program. They've got a heap of partners, so hopefully we can save them a lot too.
Tim needs a space for all of his big boy toys. So we're going to apply a bit of our Reno magic to bring it all together. Whew. So if you love what we come up with and how YouiRewards help us, you can win up to 10 grand worth of YouiRewards Partners gift cards to spend on whatever your next project is. We've had a quick look at the app and they've got some really cool partners like Rebel, JB Hi-Fi and Amart Furniture.
So click the link in this post to see how you can enter and stay tuned as we turn this humble basement into a space fit for a king.
Like a man king.
Let's go.